Yeah. Just left Snooks. Well, that say CVS. That's Snooks right there, right? Nah, City. Yep. Finna do this little jalapeno Taki challenge.
And cream cheese thing.
Tune in, baby. Tune
What's up,
in.
YouTube?
What's up?
We on the Dang Nation channel, you know. Today we got a special guest.
This is the nation.
My brother.
It's my boy Marvin. You know me, I'm Dang.
JR.
You know what it is. We back again. It's another challenge.
Now today we doing the jalapenos, cream cheese, and Taki challenge.
Yeah, they saw this on TikTok. They said, "Oh, we should do that." I said, "Might as well, right?" They did it, man. Here we go. We got the jalapeno.
Hey y'all, we sorry.
And they
for not uploading because haven't really thought of nothing.
Ooh, this hot. I can taste it already.
Just by holding it.
And cause I touched it. Look, I'm finna stuff the jalapeno right now. That's what I'm doing.
Hold on, real. Show me the Takis. The Takis.
Yeah, we got the Takis.
And we got the right ones too.
And we got the Philadelphia cream cheese right here. We got We
got the jalapeno.
Jalapenos.
We said.
Whatever you want to call them.
Jalapenos. And then them Takis gonna stuff the cream cheese in there.
We ain't got the biggest jalapenos, but it's gonna work.
Jalapenos. And most people be saying it's not hot.
Everybody call them jalapeno. I call them jalapenos. We gotta stuff this down in here like this.
So I gotta make sure you don't break the jalapeno.
Gotta keep stuffing it.
Bro, I don't know why my phone blowing up so much today though. It's crazy.
Keep stuffing it. What y'all do? Hey, how virtual learning been going for y'all? What would y'all prefer? Virtual learning or be in school?
Being in school. Being in school.
You rather be in school?
Yes.
I feel that.
Because I feel like to me virtual is cool, but like it's not as good. It's hard. It's a little hard.
It's hard. I got one stuff. Who want to put the Takis in it? You put the Takis in it.
But my teacher be like, it would be way easier if we was in class together instead of virtual. Yeah, then it won't lag so much. Our teacher voice won't lag so much. We can hear them clearly. Then.
Yeah, I always rather been in class than doing anything online like virtual. Me personally,
I feel like if I go to real school, because they said we're supposed to be going back January 19th. If I go to real school, my grades would be a lot better. That's how I feel.
You feel like that?
Yes.
Well, they probably will. How many Takis you put in there?
Three.
Mm-hmm. See if you can slide another in there. Look, he put it in there. Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me go get mine to eat.
You gonna eat your Takis while you eating this shit? This shit hot. Oh. I mean stuff. This stuff is hot.
Already. I can't stuff another one. It's gonna be like that.
I'm tasting the jalapeno as we speak.
I got my Takis. I touched it and I licked my finger. That's the hot.
Hey, it's stuff.
I got mine.
Are you stuffed down? Yeah, you hear that noise in the background. Come on, people. It's all good. Don't worry about that. Look at this. Yeah, this is gonna be a challenge for yo.
For your taste bud.
That got me doing this. I don't know what time of night it is. Hey, but if y'all want to see more of this, you know.
Tune in.
This the greatest show on earth. You don't even know it yet. All you gotta do is subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah.
We finna start uploading more.
Hitting that subscribe button. Do that.
We coming with more challenges, mukbangs, pranks.
All that.
Just drop in the comments what y'all want to see.
Yep.
Straight up.
What he said. I don't think it's stuffed all the way. It seems like it is. It's steady coming out. See?
Once we put them Takis in there, it be pushing it out. Yeah, it do. So that means it's stuffed. All right, that's stuffed enough. That's stuffed crust. Stuffed crust pizza.
You got it. Oh, okay. I'm stuffing it for sure.
Oh my god.
I'm not taking on my challenge. I ain't understand this. Here we go.
Ooh, that sounds hot. This is gonna be nasty. Hey, This many y'all can get it now. To be honest with you.
So y'all doing good in y'all classes though. I like that. You had caught up on yours. Good. 'Cause I ain't raised no punk, faggots, or failures. Damn.
Come on now.
I'm a cold nigga in the city.
That's yours.
It could be mine. I don't care. All these mine, boy. All these mine, boy.
Stuff that one.
Oh yeah, you gonna stuff that one. I wonder how it go in like that so fast. Like you don't even feel like. Yep.
There's one.
I'm always up for a challenge, so if there's any challenges y'all want to see, just drop down in my comment box. I'm always up for one. Real life.
That's 3 Takis. Tahina.
And y'all see it.
And also people be doing it with like tahini on it too.
What's tahini?
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Spice can't use that.
Oh, I ain't doing that one. I know what you're talking about. I ain't doing that one.
Tahini.
You can put some cayenne pepper on it.
You want to? Do we got cayenne pepper?
Yeah.
You want to go get out the kitchen? Yeah, go get some cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
Right there so they can see it. Actual cayenne peppers. Cayenne pepper.
Yep.
Let me there.
What? Look at that. You leaking. On the table. We're going to sprinkle this cayenne pepper on it. Ooh.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's already hitting my nose.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Oh, now it's hitting. You tripping.
Yeah, see it. It's on there.
It hit now. Oh, you put too much on that one.
It's on there. Cayenne pepper. Who did this? Did anybody do this?
Nope. No.
Oh my God. That's too much.
Daddy, if we see somebody doing this, they jocked us.
Yep, and they better give me my views too.
Oh, for real.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, comment, do everything, share. Hit all those buttons. You feel?
All of them.
Brother, Kanye Bell, you hit my. Oh, that hit me already.
It's like real things.
Alright.
Jalapeños stuffed with cream cheese, Takis, and dusted with cayenne pepper.
Yeah, let's dig in. Who going first? We all gonna go at the same time. I got this one.
You got the most.
I got this
We
one.
ducking. We ducking out on it. Big rest.
I'm on all that. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, dang.
It's really not.
This tastes like some spicy nachos. Alright, real life.
Like, you don't even taste the cayenne pepper.
I thought it was gonna be bad. I gotta want some more cream cheese.
You see? Look at taking away the spice.
How? If I'm putting more cream cheese in it,
Take
I ain't gonna
away
lie,
the
my
spice.
nose is running. Probably because it's cayenne pepper.
Yeah, that cayenne pepper hit you different.
A lot different. Oh man, y'all ain't stop. Let me see more Takis. I'm out of Takis already.
Bro,
Yeah.
I'm almost done with my first jalapeno. Jalapeno only took 2 bites.
I had to stuff some more Takis in man. They trying to play me on the Takis.
Let me a little bit more cream cheese. I was going empties.
It's hot. You can't handle
It's
it.
hitting this right nostril.
I think it's that cayenne pepper.
First one down, 3 bites.
What you in 3 bites? Your ass gonna be on fire.
Tripping.
Woo! It is hot though.
Now I'm gonna get this one. Oh.
It is hot though. I ain't finna put some more cream cheese on mine too.
I'm probably gonna have to put some more cream cheese on his
I'm
plate.
sorry. I just put a little bit though. It ain't too much.
Bruh. This one has a lot of, bruh. I know y'all see that redness on the side.
Hey, but this good though.
It is.
It's like
It's not too spicy.
it's like
It's
a
not
good
too
snack.
not spicy. Yeah.
It's a real good snack. Real nice. And I don't even eat jalapeno.
Woo.
God bless us all.
Thank you.
I don't even eat jalapeno like that, but this is good. My mouth on fire. True enough. It is. But it's good.
With that cream cheese, hope
Who wants the last one?
cooling down the spice. I'll take it.
You want the last one?
Or we can split it.
How we gonna split it?
I'll take a bite. You eat it. Right there.
I take a bite and you eat it. I'm starting to sweat. Y'all see that? Y'all see that sweat?
Oh.
Woo!
It's that hot. That smoke cream cheese. That cayenne pepper.
Ah.
Cayenne pepper hit different. Woo. Cayenne pepper takes over. Oh, y'all, I'm not even done with the first one.
Yeah, he can't take it.
You take
I'm
little
taking
baby
this
bites. I mean, I could take it. Stuff that with some more cream cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Not yet. Woo!
one long cream. Boy, he been stuffing cream cheese the whole time.
Yeah, his mouth burning up. That way it is. His mouth hot as a firecracker right now.
He's like, when I keep my mouth closed, it's not that hot. But when I open my mouth, it gets hot. The air hit.
Yeah, like I hear you like jabbing for your little breath. Yeah.
Third and last bite.
He out.
Ah.
Hey, but this is good though. Like, real life. This is a real life snack.
Whoever came up with this.
Like TikTok, y'all did y'all thing. Whoever came up with this.
Whoever came up with this.
Whoever came up with this, that was good. That was good.
Give y'all applause.
For a challenge. Cause it is a challenge. Cause this is hot. It's hot. Don't get me wrong.
Cayenne.
This is hot. This is hot. But it's like addictive too. Because
it's like a hot but a good kind of
you don't want to stop eating it.
You know what? I'm good. I don't want that.
And that's why I never ate Takis a day in my life. Until today. Never ate Takis a day in my life.
Oh yeah, y'all know what we should do next?
Until today.
We should bring to the channel next.
What's that?
One chip challenge.
What's the one chip challenge?
Oh, it's the spiciest chip in the world.
See, they know about all these challenges. I don't.
And they got them at 7-Eleven. Yep. We saw them when we was getting those Pocky chips. Oh yeah, y'all. We had the Pocky chips. Go to our TikTok to see. Yeah.
They did.
We did the second hottest one.
The ghost pepper.
Yeah.
They try to give me one. I ain't going. Nope. I ain't no fool. Not that big of one.
Look. So, ask me, Daddy, you want to try one? He took the bag out of my hand and looked at it. Like, no. He probably saw the scale and was like, frick.
What look like? I'm gonna eat something I know it's gonna burn.
I'm gonna eat something that got a scale on it? You tripping. Man, gotta chug a bottle of milk when he get done. With one chip.
So, all in all, I get it.
I give it like an 8.5.
You give it an 8.5? I give it a 10 out of 10. Like, it was good. Hey, it's hot. Don't get me wrong. My mouth
It's burning right now.
is burning up. Don't get me wrong. My mouth is burning up. But it's good.
But the snack itself is still good.
Yeah. That was a good snack. Like, good challenge, too. Because a lot of people probably won't be able to withstand all that heat.
For real. It's supposed to be added cayenne pepper.
Y'all ever added cayenne pepper?
For real.
Don't throw shade, boy. I show the sun. Don't throw shade.
And the only ingredients is cayenne pepper. It's just red pepper.
Cream cheese.
It's just red pepper.
I love it.
Just dust it. Just ground it up red peppers.
Yeah.
That's
That
all
cayenne
it
pepper.
is. Let us know what challenges we should do next.
But yeah, obviously that was a success.
Really was.
Hope y'all enjoyed it. You know what I mean? This is the greatest show on earth. We got a lot more content coming. Tune in. Peace.
Peace.